No matter what the season, keeping your pool free of leaves and debris is necessary for maintaining good pool health. Robotic pool cleaners are one of the most common upgrades for pool owners to make. However, deciding to invest in one can be a tough decision. So we at Poolwerx have decided to give you the top reasons why you and your pool need a robotic pool cleaner. There are 4 main reasons why a robotic pool cleaner is a great investment for pool owners. The first of these being that it will save you money. A quality robotic pool cleaner, like any of these here, will save on power, water and pool chemicals, the costs of which can add up very quickly. The second reason for getting yourself a robotic pool cleaner is that it will save you time. One of my favourite benefits of robotic pool cleaners is you just plug them in, pop them in the pool, press the go button. This saves you a lot of time compared to manually cleaning your pool. And if you're like most pool owners and you're keen to set and forget when it comes to pool care, it's even possible to program the best robotic pool cleaners with an automatic timer. And you'll also save time by not having to backwash your filter as frequently. The third reason for investing in a robotic pool cleaner is that making the switch will improve your water circulation and reduce your pool chemical usage. Robotic pool cleaners are designed to move around the water as they clean. This helps to increase pool water circulation and can help reduce the chance of getting one of those pesky dead spots, which can lead to algae growth. Regular use of a robotic pool cleaner circulates water and pool chemicals through the pool effectively. This reduces overall chemical usage and especially reduces the need for additional chemicals to treat the algae growth associated with those dead spots. Not only will your pool look cleaner, but by having less build-up of dirt and debris, the water quality will also be cleaner. So, if you want to keep your family pool swim ready and healthy at all times, a robotic pool cleaner is the way to go. If you're thinking about investing in a robotic pool cleaner and want to find out what the best option for your pool is, contact your local Poolwerx for a free at-home demo.